In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new task in Salesforce, a valuable skill to keep your workflow organized and ensure that important deadlines are met. Whether you're managing your own tasks or assigning them to a team member, Salesforce provides an intuitive way to keep everything in order. First things first, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the familiar dashboard. From here, look for the app launcher icon, which might be located at the upper left or center of the interface. This icon resembles a grid and is your gateway to all the apps you have at your fingertips. Click on it to reveal a list of available options, then scroll through and click on the Tasks tab. This is where you'll be managing all your tasks. After navigating to the Tasks tab, direct your attention to the new Task button. Instead of clicking the button straight away, look for the small drop-down arrow that sits right next to it. Clicking this arrow will display a brief menu with the option to create a new task. Select this to bring up the task creation form. Now you're at the task creation screen. The first field you'll see is for the subject of your task. This is essentially a brief title for your task, so choose a subject that clearly describes what needs to be done. After that, you'll need to determine who this task is for. In the Assign To field, you can select the user who will take on this task. This is particularly useful if you're collaborating with team members and need to distribute tasks efficiently. Next, set a due date for your task. This is vital for time-sensitive projects and will help keep you or your team on track. You just have to click on the date picker beside the due date field and select the appropriate date from the calendar. Salesforce also offers you the flexibility to associate your task with other objects in the system. If this task is related to a specific account or contact, link it in the task form. This makes it much easier to track tasks that are connected to larger projects or specific clients. Simply look for the related records section and enter the necessary information to establish that connection. As you move further down the form, fill in any additional details you think are necessary. You might want to add comments, outlining specific instructions or notes, set the priority to indicate the urgency, or adjust the status to reflect its current stage. Once you've double-checked your entries and are satisfied with everything, look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Clicking it will create your new task, storing all the information you've entered in the system. By following these steps, you've effortlessly created a new task in Salesforce, keeping your project management seamless and efficient. Hopefully, these insights will help you make the most of Salesforce's capabilities, whether you're handling your own responsibilities or coordinating with your team.